Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Avo. If you're new to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when there's an upload coming from moi. Today we'll be making a glowing oil. Yes, I've been making oil lately. Don't worry, next week hopefully we'll make a whitening cream. Today we'll be making a glowing oil. Glowing oil, it's best you have a skin that is little bit fair and very glowy than having a very white skin that is so pale. Yes, so the product we'll be using today are our original skin-free milk. I hope you can see it. Skin-free milk. Our crude Kenako. Our tea tree oil. I can barely do a product these days without using our tea tree oil. It's very nice on the body. It does magic on the skin. Our lightning glycerin. Our Shenic Perfect Legs, which is for stretch mark. Lest I forget, the crude oil does magic for the crude Kenako, sorry. I said crude oil. The crude Kenako does magic for green veins. Our Egyptian milk, it's also a glowing product. Our Escabel snail serum, it's nice. Our empty container and our measuring cups, our measuring spoons and cups, and also lest I forget, our stretch mark oil, the Shalom stretch mark oil. This oil that we are making today should be used in the daytime. Then when you get back from work at night, you can use your normal cream. That is after you've gotten the color you want. You know, constant use of whitening cream tends to damage the skin. So it's best after using the cream for some time and you've gotten the shade you want, go on a break on it. Just leave it for a time, for a period of a week, 2 weeks, before coming back. And during that period, you can be using your glowing oil. There's nothing wrong with it. You won't go dark. You still be glowing. You still be white, and you still be looking beautiful. So without further review, let's get started. We'll be doing our measurement in this cup here. Sorry about that because it's bigger. This is our tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. We'll mix everything here before pouring it in our empty container. So firstly, we'll go with our skin-free milk. Our skin-free milk will take 2 tablespoons. Our Egyptian milk also will go for 2 tablespoons. Wow, this thing is so thick, so be careful. Two tablespoons. Wow. The Shenic Perfect Leg Stage 2 also 2 tablespoons. I'm so sorry about my voice. I've been having runny nose lately and it's really getting into me. Really. Our Escabel snail. Hope you can see. Escabel snail serum, 1 tablespoon. Wow. Sorry about that. The opening is so tiny. Hope you all can see a tablespoon, as I've said. Our Shalom stretch mark oil. Shalom stretch mark oil. If you can get the name. A tablespoon. A white glycerin. Tablespoon also. Our crude kernel, half tablespoon, because this makes your product to go dark, so don't put much of it. Don't put much of it. Then our tea tree oil that does magic on the skin. Yeah. Let me go for a tablespoon also. I can't find my lavender oil and my other essential oil. I would have mixed it, so let me just make use of what I have at hand. Then we're going to mix properly. I'm going to change this container because it's so small. Endeavor to mix properly. Endeavor to mix properly before usage. And yes, our glowing oil is ready. As I've said earlier on, you use it during the daytime when you're back from where you've gone to, that you will not be affected by UV ray. Then you use your normal lightening or whitening cream. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. If you're new to this channel, endeavor to subscribe. Thank you very much. I so much love you. I add too much. Thank you.